So this is for class 9th, chapter 4, linear equation in two variables. Exercise 4.2, question number 2 I will be solving today, okay? This question. Write four solution for each of the following equation. First is 2x plus y is equal to 7. Second one is pi x plus y is equal to 9. X is equal to 4y, okay? So let me start with this first, okay? First is what I have to do with this. First, I can take down the question, okay? Write four solutions for each of the following equations. So, first one is what? 2x plus y is equal to 7. So, we have to make form four solutions, right? So, first one is what? I'll take down the question first. That is 2x plus y is equal to 7, okay? Now, first you can take x to be 0, okay? So first I have taken x to be 0, okay? So what I will get in if I replace x by 0, what I'm going to get is 0 plus y is equal to 7, which implies that, okay, don't write this. You can directly write y is equal to 7, okay? So y is equal to 7. Therefore, you can say solution is x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 7, okay? So y is equal to 7, so solution is what we have taken over here, x to be 0 and what we got, value of y to be 7, okay? So I hope you all have understood. We have instead of they told us to write four solutions. So first we are done with the first solution, right? We are done with the first solution. Now let us see the second solution. Take the question, same question, 2x plus y is equal to 7. Okay. Two x plus y is equal to 7. So here let me take x to be 1. Okay. If I replace x to be 1, what I am going to get is 2 plus y is equal to 7. So it will be y is equal to 7 minus 2. So y is equal to 5, right? Therefore, you can say solution is what? X is equal to 1 and y is equal to 5. Okay. So next let us see. Now we found out the two solutions, right? This was our first one, this is our second one. Now let us do the third one. Same question, 2x plus y is equal to 7 plus y is equal to 7. Now I will take my x to be minus 1. So this will become minus 2 plus y is equal to 7. So I will get y is equal to 7 plus 2, which will be nothing but y is equal to 9. Therefore solution is x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 9. Okay. So we are done with the three parts. Now let us take one more, fourth one. Okay. Okay, so 2x plus y is equal to 7. Now I'll take x, the value of x to be 2. Okay, so x is equal to 2. So what I are going to get is 4, okay, plus y is equal to 7. So I will get y is equal to 7 minus 4. So here y is equal to what? Y is equal to 3, right? Therefore solution is x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 3. Okay, so now we found out the four solution, right? So here what we got is x to be 2 and y is 3. So how many we have done? We have finished with 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, so we are done with the first problem. So we are done with this first one. Now let us do the second one. Pi x plus y is equal to 9. Same way we have to deal with that. Okay, pi x plus y is equal to 9. So here I am solving the second one. Pi x plus y is equal to 9. Okay, so now we need to write 4 solutions for each of the following, right? So we are doing the second one. So take x to be 0. If I take x to be 0, what I am going to get is, I am directly writing, okay, y is equal to 9. Therefore I can say that, therefore solution is x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 9. Okay, now let us find the second solution. Now take the same equation, that is pi x plus y is equal to 9, but instead of x is equal to 0, okay, we are done with the first solution. So take, now you'll have to take, we have to do the second solution, find the second solution. So take x is equal to 1 and find out. Okay, so this, what you are going to get, pi into 1 plus y is equal to 9, right? So we'll get pi plus y is equal to 9. So you will get y is equal to 9 minus pi. Therefore, you can take down solution is x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 9 minus pi. Okay. Next, let us find the third solution, that is pi x plus y is equal to 9. Replace x by minus 1. Okay. So I will get minus pi plus y is equal to 9. So what I am going to get is y is equal to 9 plus pi. Therefore, you can say solution is x is equal to minus 1 and y is equal to 9 plus pi. Okay. Next, what I'll have to do is, let us find the fourth solution. Pi x plus y is equal to 9. Now in place of x, plug 2. So we will get 2 pi plus y is equal to 9. So y is equal to 9 minus 2 pi. Therefore solution is x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 9 minus 2 pi. Okay. So next let us see. Next, let us find the x is equal to 4y. Okay, solution for this. Let us find the 4 solution for this x is equal to 4y. Okay, so let us start. So now we are doing the third part, x is equal to 4y. So now take y to be 0, so you will get easily. Even you all can take x is equal to 0, you will get y is equal to 0, right? In both the way you all can do, but this will be easy. That's why I have taken y is equal to 0. So if you take y is equal to 0, what you all are going to get is x is equal to, it will be x is equal to 4 into 0 will be 0. So x is equal to, so what I am going to get is x is equal to 0, right? So you all can say therefore solution is x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 0. Okay. Next, let us see. We have to find 4 solutions, right? We are done with the first one. Let us do the second one. X is equal to 4y. So y is equal to 1. Replace y by 1. So what you all are going to get? Y is equal to 4 into 1 will be 4 only. So it will be x is equal to 4, right? 4 ones are 4. Therefore, you all can say solution is x is equal to 4 and y is equal to 1, right? Now next, moving towards the third. So y is equal to minus 1 I have logged, right? So what you'll have to do is write x is equal to, in place of y it will be minus 1. So x is equal to 4 ones are 4 and minus 4 it will be, because minus sign is there. Therefore you all can say solution is x is equal to minus 4 and y is equal to minus 1, right? Next, let us plug, in place of x I have plugged 2 over here. Y is equal to 2. Okay, so x is equal to 4y, y is equal to 2. This is the last one, that is the fourth one, right? So x is equal to 4 into 2. So what all are going to get? 4 2s are 8. Therefore solution is you all can write down. Okay, therefore solution is x is equal to 8 and y is equal to 2, right? So we are done with this 4 solution, 1 2 3 4. Okay, so we have finally wrote the 4 solution for each of the following. So I hope you all have understood, and thanks for watching. Okay, wait here. Okay, you can take down all these solutions. Okay, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more exercise problems on this chapter. Thanks for watching.